Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.
Home Minister Amit Shah today said that the government will not spare anyone involved in the Pahalgam terrorist attack. The Home Minister made these remarks while addressing a gathering in New Delhi after unveiling a statue of Bodo leader Bodofa Upendranath Brahma and dedicating a road in his name on the occasion of his death anniversary. Reiterating the government's resolve to uproot terrorism from every inch of the country, Mr. Shah said that the fight against terrorism will continue and that those who have committed this attack will receive a befitting reply. He added that not only 140 crore Indians, but the whole world is standing with India in this fight. Mr. Shah said that all countries across the globe have come together and are supporting the people of India in the fight against terrorism. He highlighted that the government has been fighting strongly on the policy of zero tolerance against those who have been promoting terrorism in Kashmir since the 1990s. Mr. Shah expressed his gratitude for the opportunity to unveil the statue and inaugurate a road in honor of Bodofa in Kailash Colony. He said that this statue is important not only for the Bodo community but also for all the small tribes who struggled for their language, culture, and development. Mr. Shah added that the statue of Bodofa not only increases the respect of the Bodo community but of all such small tribes. He further said that Assam accepts the people of Bodoland and Bodoland accepts Assam. Mr. Shah also emphasized that after 9 months of detailed discussion, the Bodo agreement was signed in 2020 and today all the people have laid down their arms and joined the mainstream. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, Minister of State for External Affairs Pavitra Margherita, and BJP MP Bansuri Swaraj were also present on the occasion. Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.